Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Shopify to Wise for international suppliers step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Shopify to Wise for your international suppliers, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Settings tab located at the bottom left of the Shopify dashboard. In the Settings menu, click on Payments. Scroll down to find the Payouts section. Here, you will see your available balance and payout schedule. Next, locate the Transfer Funds button and click on it. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Select Wise as your preferred transfer method. If you haven't connected your Wise account yet, you will need to do so now. Follow the prompts to link your Wise account by providing the required details. Once your Wise account is connected, review the transaction details. Confirm the transfer amount and destination bank account information. Click on the Confirm button to initiate the withdrawal process. You may receive a confirmation email regarding your transaction. This withdrawal will be processed according to Shopify's payout schedule. Check your Wise account for the transaction once the processing period is complete. Be aware that it may take a few days for the funds to appear in your Wise account. Track the progress of your transfer using the Wise app or website if needed. Your funds will then be available for payment to your international suppliers. Ensure to keep records of the transaction for accounting purposes. Follow these steps for each withdrawal to manage your funds efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.